Hala, ang ganda. Hala siya. Hoy, ang ganda nito. Wait, we have to follow the entrance and remove our sleepers. Saan ko nalagay yung sleepers ko? Alam mo, tanggalin ko na nga lang. Tinanggal ko na lang. Ang lamig sa paa, shit. Wait, I can keep it. There.
Come on, I shoes, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Shoes, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Shoes, okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay na. Masyado kang madikit, but thank you. Oo. Naramdaman ko yung katawan mo sa likod ko eh. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I no camera.
Sorry?
No camera.
Here or inside?
I am.
Here is still okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. The camera there.
No, I am.
Hi everybody, so let me just show you like what I can see inside. Right now I'm just using my phone. This is so beautiful. So yeah, there. As you can see, this is the entrance going to that very beautiful golden temple.